Hey guys, I'm sure after this video you would have a great vision to build your online business to make money online based on a simple idea. And it also insists to impress you 3 different times and leave you shocked by the end of the video. So stick with me and follow this tutorial step by step. And the first thing here, I just packed for you an amazing set of 100 viral short videos in the motivation niche. Yes, you heard that right. I just provide you a beautiful collection of short videos in this highly demanded niche. So here you can find in 2 different parties these short videos that feature the public figures and big names in this niche, as you see. So just to think about it, and you can imagine how you can utilize and leverage these short videos to make money online in many different ways. For example, for sure you can publish these short videos on social media like Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, Pinterest pins, and so on. So if we take an Instagram page an example, so you can create your account on Instagram around the motivation self-improvement niche. Therefore, you can use all these short videos and publish them day by day to build your online Instagram page around this amazing, beautiful niche. Therefore, you can use these short videos as promotional tool to get more traffic to your link in bio, where you can promote anything you want, whatever it is, like affiliate products, digital products, and so on. So for sure, I just recommend for you to go through digital products because they are evergreen and easy to build just in few minutes. And now this question comes up: which types of digital products we can utilize in our Instagram page using this amazing niche or this motivation niche? For sure, the king of digital products, that is ebooks. Of course, there are many people wanna get and purchase ebooks to get more data information about specific topic or dig deeper into a specific topic. So they purchase ebooks about this specific niche. So I just talked about previously how we can create viral and best-selling ebooks using a brilliant strategy. That's by using the Google People Also Ask section. For example, if you head over to Google and search for a specific topic in this niche like mindset for success, then you can jump to this gold mine section of Google, where you can find the most pressing questions. People want to get more information and answers to these questions. So just you can think about it, how you can make your ebooks around these questions one by one, or you can gather some questions in a beautiful ebook. And for sure, this method is tedious and takes a lot of effort and time, and for that I just prepared for you the beautiful product, the Query Profit Vault, that contains over 50,000 real questions extracted from Google about 4,000 plus hot and trending topics in 90 plus highly demanded niches, for sure including the motivation and self-improvement niche, in 2 interactive formats, the CSV file and the tree-like format. So for example, when you get this amazing product, and I will leave its link down below in the description box in the first comment, it would be like this one. All these folders referring different niches, as you see. So for example, if you go through the motivation and something like that, so you can find here some relevant niches like this one, motivation and personal growth. So click over it, and here you can find many of these hot and trending topics around this specific niche, like this creating a vision board, resilience, self-discipline, and so on. So for example, here if we go to one of these hot topics like this one, so this managing stress for personal growth, you can find 2 different formats for every single topic. Like this one, here you can find this tree-like format, as you observe. In an active one, you can find these branches from this parent topic or parent question and these relevant questions, as you observe, with their answers from Google itself. Or if you go back here to go through this CSV file, it would be like that. Don't freak out. Simply you can head over to this page layout and change sheet right to left, and then select this first column A1, go up there to data, text to columns, delimited, next, check this comma option, next, and finish. Okay, that's it. Here you can find all these questions regarding this topic as you see. Then for sure you can pick all these questions one by one to create your own viral questions. People are searching for a valuable answer regarding these questions. Or you can gather some few questions all in one ebook. Thus, for example, I just take some one like this one, okay, and copy and go to text and just paste and recopy them again. Control C, and now head over to ChatGPT, where we can ask to give us an outline for the ebook that cover all these questions. So I just write this prompt, like give us outline of ebook that covers all these questions, and Control V. And that way ChatGPT would craft for you an amazing outline that consists of different parts like introduction, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and so on. And for every single chapter would talk about in depth about every single question that you have taken from your Query Profit Vault or from Google, in other words, as you observe. And then you can actually expand all these chapters using ChatGPT to talk about each of these chapters in details one by one to create your ebook. And for sure, I just talked about this strategy to make your viral the best-selling books. You can find this video down below in the description box and the first comment. Here you can craft your ebook and ready to sell on your Instagram page. And for sure, not to mention that you can upload your ebook on digital products platform like Gumroad or link in bio to be sold easily. And I will leave a link of the best free digital products platform. You can find this link down below in the description box and the first comment. And here I will give you a nice trick to sweeten your offer and to get more sales for your ebook. You've got to make it more convincing and more valuable. Here you can actually attach some bonuses for this ebooks or some relevant ebooks, and for that I just will give you the second amazing thing. We'll attach a wonderful bonus with Query Profit Vault that is a big bundle of 10,000 valuable and premium ebooks in different niches. So you have the freedom to use all these ebooks to make money online in any way you like. So you can find this bundle of 10,000 ebooks with the Query Profit Vault. And for sure, anyone who purchased this Query Profit Vault previously, they can contact me to give you this bonus for free. So here you can actually search for different ebooks relevant to this topic and attach with your main ebook to make it more valuable and more convincing to your audience on Instagram. And the second type of digital products you can actually make a profit, that is different ideas rather than the ebooks, such as trackers like habit tracker, mood tracker, to-do list, checklist, and so on. For that, I just also craft for you an amazing product that contains over 15,000 digital products using Canva.com. So you can find this product down below in the description box and the first comment with amazing book how you can use Canva to create your digital products, a big list of 500 ideas to create your digital products, and so on. For sure, you would be amazed by all these products. So you can find all these links down below in the description box and get your offer and make money online using all these viral short videos. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.